There is a question in the chemistry part. We have to identify the wrong statement among the four given in the question. Wrong statement, the very first thing, just keep in mind, question is about wrong statement. Wrong statement. I read the first one. ONCl and ONO negative are not isoelectronic. When we calculate the total number of electrons, oxygen, they will provide equal number of electrons in both the species. Nitrogen, they will again provide the equal number of electrons in both the species. But here is chlorine. A chlorine atom has 17 electrons. Here is oxygen with negative charge on the species also. So the number of electrons in oxygen, that is 8. And even if we add one more electron because of the negative charge on the species, then too the electrons due to the oxygen with negative charge, they are coming 9, while here electrons due to chlorine, they are coming 17. So both these species do not have equal number of electrons. They are not isoelectronic. This is a correct statement. Next, ozone is bent. In the structure of ozone, we find that the central oxygen of ozone has an unshared electron pair with sp2 hybridization. Here is sp2 hybridization of the central atom, and due to the presence of one lone pair, the shape of the molecule is bent or V-shaped. Here ozone molecule is bent or V-shaped. This option has been given, so this is also a correct statement. Next to that, ozone is violet black in solid state. Ozone is violet black in solid state. The color is mostly due to, the species are colored mostly due to the presence of unpaired electrons. Since already the structure has been given and you know it well that there is no unpaired electron in the structure of ozone, it is not expected to be colored. So the third statement which I have read, ozone is violet black in solid state, is not the correct statement, but I shall continue with one more statement given here. Ozone is a diamagnetic gas. As the structure is showing, there is no unpaired electron, so the nature of ozone should be diamagnetic. Ozone is a diamagnetic gas. This is also a correct statement. So the wrong statement is the statement left, in which ozone is shown to be colored.